Hey YouTube, down in the basement today, and I'm finishing up the second part of my flashlight review. Tried this outside, but it wasn't working so well. Just too dark outside for my camera to pick up the lights very well, so I think it'll work a little better in the basement. It's about 25 feet to the back wall, and I added another flashlight in for the review. Got a standard maglight, 2 D cells, just for comparison's sake. And that's right there is the maglight. Kind of light you're getting out of that. Okay, then I have this 2 AA cell flashlight I bought probably about 3 years ago. You'll see it in the other first part of the review. It has 6 Nikia LEDs in it, and it's somewhat more like a floodlight. It doesn't really have a central spotlight. It's just kind of a flood. You can see the throw on that. Okay. Next one I have up is takes 3 AAA cells, and it's sold by Harbor Freight Tools. They kind of label it as Golston. And it says the Luxeon LED in it. See, it's a pretty good floodlight also. It has somewhat of a central spot in the middle, but it's pretty broad. So that's a nice floodlight. And the next one I have up is I recently purchased Coleman Max. This one takes 3 AAA cells, and it has a Cree LED rated at 115 lumens. And as you can see, it has a pretty good central spot on it, and with a good spill beam. Lights up pretty good. Out in the yard I tried this out, and it's probably good for about 100 feet outdoors. You can see with that central spot at least 100 feet away. And the next one is my Fenix TK10. Let's start out on the lower power. Pretty similar to the Coleman, I'd say. It's rated at 60 lumens on low mode. Has a nice central spot, good spill beam. I think you get about 10 hours, and this one requires the CR123 batteries. And then when you put it in the turbo mode, that's 225 lumens. That is quite a bit of throw. Take this out in the yard, pitch black, dark at night. It throws a good 300 feet with that central spot. You can see someone walking 300 feet away at least. Excellent light. That was about $60 on mine. There's low. There's turbo mode. Nice light. Okay. And the last one is the big lead acid battery powered light I got from Gander Mountain. It has a quartz halogen bulb. That's that one. That one really lights up. I think it may need a bit of a charge because it was brighter in the past than this. I might have to charge this up. But all the other flashlights I tested just now, they have fresh batteries in them, so you can compare the output of them pretty well. So that's it for now. Hopefully this will help someone in their decision to buy a flashlight. So long.